and today's our topic is that importance of English. We all know the import English. It is the second one largest language of the world. Because of that, I think the Britishers rule on the every country of the world, and they go there, they went there, and they established their own language. So the in every part of world we can easily find the English speakers, and that's why English is very important language for in these days. If you want to go for higher studies abroad, then you must be understand the English language, because of there are so many inventions, so many you can say that institutions, and so many you can say the the what institutions are get their study, and they are teaching in English languages. Because of that, it is the worldwide language. And second thing is that if you want to tour of the world country, and also in India, in southern country, they have their own culture, they have their own language. And in India there is 29 states, and they have own languages. So English is became a linked language. If we know English, we find that all over the India and all over the world is our our home, our village. So that's all. Thank you.
And today our topic is importance of India. We all know that today is advanced era, and without English we